Recently, I was asked how to add a watermark to an image in edit mode. For starters, I've opened up an image in edit mode. I just want to be clear that this is not my image. It's a stock photo belonging to Ellen Tanner that I found in the link below. So special thanks to Ellen for sharing her images online so that others like us can play around with them. To add a watermark, you can simply use the Add a File as a Layer button and select a PNG image with a visible transparency to place on your image. I'll discuss this in more depth in a future video, but essentially PNGs are images that allow for transparencies. If you don't have one, you can use a JPEG, but you might see some white edges because JPEGs don't allow for that nice transparent edge. So I'll find my PNG here, and after I've placed my image, the bounding box will appear letting me resize it, rotate it, and move it. Here, I'll reduce the size and place it on the bottom right. Note that on this layer, I can also change the opacity or blending style using the options above the layer itself. Once you've resized it, blended it, and moved it, simply click Commit from the top preview pane. From here, I can save my image how I like. Another method to add a watermark is through the Filter menu. If I click on it, I can select a new watermark from the dropdown. Once that watermark is added, I can set the anchor point, changing its relative position on my image. I can also resize it using the numbers or the bounding box like before. I can blend the watermark or lower its opacity. I typically recommend adding your watermark as a new layer, though it might not be necessary. That's it. Once you've placed it, you can click Done. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And if you'd like, click the bell icon. That'll notify you when we upload new videos.